Okay, so for Wednesday's workout, we're going to do some intervals. This is one where we have a certain amount of work to do every 8 minutes in this case. So the rest of our time within that 8 minutes after we have our 2 rounds done is rest. So every 8 minutes, so 0, 8, 16 and 24, we're going to do a 200-meter run, row or ski. You could go 400 meters on a Concept 2 bike if you have one of those, or we can go for 80 mountain climbers. After that, we're doing 14 burpees or sprawls, and then 14 goblet squats, although you could go for an air squat here if you feel like the goblet squat for that volume over that amount of rounds could be a bit too much. You do 2 rounds at a decent pace, and then you rest for the rest of the time with a 5-minute cutoff. Okay, so if you're still working on 5 minutes, let's cut it off there and take at least 3 minutes rest then before your next round. If you do take the 5 minutes, say on that first set, then let's change something. Let's maybe go for the sprawl instead of the burpee, or let's go for an air squat instead of the goblet squat. We're going for 4 sets. What we want to do is go at a decent pace, but not one that makes us have to go really slow on the 4th round. We want to kind of distribute our energy evenly across all 4 sets. Record how long each set takes and put that in the comments. Just to explain, to make sure we're all on the same page, we're going to go for 2 rounds, okay? So 200-meter run, 14 burpees, 14 squats, 2 rounds of that. Rest for the remainder of that 8-minute window, and we're going to go for 4 sets of that. So we're going to go on 0, 8, 16, and 24.